Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert a logo onto a video in CapCut PC. So now when you are on CapCut and you dragged all your video right there, now you want to insert your logo. So you just import it to the media like everything else. And now when I have imported my logo, you want to drag it like that on top of the video, as you can see. So now as you can see, it starts randomly, so you want to drag it to the start of the video and you want to stretch it out to the end of the video if you want your logo to appear through the whole video. But basically you choose this option yourself. Now you want to, of course, resize your logo. So for this, I just chose position and size on the video option, and make sure you click on the logo so you could scale it like that. And then you can actually add it to any corner you like and leave it like that. And basically when you play the video, the logo will appear through the whole video. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.